All right, this is just a quick video about the Audi. I've had this RS5 for over a year and a half, and it has a lot of cool features. Obviously, you know, it's fast. It has a lot of other popular things: all-wheel drive, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blah, blah, blah. A lot of, you know, these features are common to some people and not so common to others, but one that I found to be the most uncommon, it literally shocks most people, is something I'm going to tell you at the end of this video. But like I said, it has a lot of cool features. You know, there's the heads-up display hole where it puts the image of the speed and navigation onto the windshield. You know, just a lot of other features that not so many cars have. But you know, over the year and a half of me having this, a lot of people know of heads-up display. A lot of people have had a car with lane assist and adaptive cruise control. But one thing that they never seem to have seen, and most people get shocked. All right, let's get in here and start it up, and let me show you this feature that blows people's minds. No, it's not the Audi Sport or the ambient interior lighting that I've shown you guys in my other videos, the nighttime video where you see all the lighting and the car and it can change color. All right, guys, she started up. Waiting for her to idle down so I can show you the hotness feature. Now, it's not, in my opinion, that crazy, but my 2019 right here, Audi RS5 has it, and my previous Audi, my previous car, the 2018 Audi S4 also had it. But nevertheless, here's the feature, guys, that shocks everybody, that people are just blown away about. Right there. The massaging seats, and then you can change the modes and the intensities and all that. So there's the button. Let me show you it in action. Yes, these seats are, and those are just to protect my seats from me putting this wheelchair in, the towels, but these seats are both, front seats are massaging. Right there, massage seat button. All right, guys, I'm in the car. So there's the screen. You just, hold on, I didn't push it, push the button, and then you can use this thing to change where you want it to adjust. You know, the lumbar or the bolsters can move, and then also there is the, and you can change the intensity. So right now it's on wave, level 1, level 2, level 3. Now if you go down, I can do the stretch pattern, level 1, level 2, level 3. And then if you go down one more, you can do the knead pattern, level 1, level 2, level 3. So massaging, and then, you know, the bolster goes up and down. Or I'm sorry, the lumbar goes in and out, up and down, and the bolsters hug you or don't hug you. So these seats are pretty freaking cool. Every time I tell someone that it massages you, they're like, no way, they freak out, they have to try it, and they end up saying, oh my God, I would never turn these off. But all right, guys, that's the end of the video. I just figured I'd make a video about it because over the year and a half that I've owned this car, a lot of people have been really shocked at that feature amongst all the other features that I think this is so cool about this car. That seems to be the one that shocks them the most. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and on to the next video.